Hello, I am Karim. I am from Tunisia. Hello, مرحبا. I, أنا, am, verb to be in the present is not used in Arabic. Karim, Karim. I am from Tunisia. I, أنا, from, من, Tunisia, تونس. مرحبا, أنا كريم, أنا من تونس. This is simple presentation of myself. Now, I am waiting for your presentation in Arabic in the comments. You are welcome. I am Karim. I am teacher of Arabic for who speak English since 2017. I am electronic engineer, student of cinema theater, and I like too much human size. This mixture between different areas give me the chance to create a methodology that fit to each profile. In the class of Arabic, we will learn official Arabic. Official Arabic even is not used in the daily life of people, but the majority of Arabian people know how to use it. So when you learn official Arabic, you have the ability to talk with anyone from Arabian world. Furthermore, we will see in the next step a sample about how we write in Arabic. But no worries, if you find difficulties to use Arabian letters, no worries, because we can use another method that allows you to learn Arabic using Latin letters. So, if you are interested to learn Arabic, come here and subscribe for a trial class to see how it's really easy to learn Arabic.